we go. He's eating.
He's injured. He's really injured. Look at his wing.
No, birds are supposed to beak.
I told you he couldn't fly. Oh my god, I feel so bad for him right now.
Why?
Cause his wing and his eye and his beak, he can't really eat. And he can't really see in his wing. He's really, really hurt. He's injured.
Poor little guy.
Oh, now I think he's choking.
He's not choking.
Oh, okay.
I didn't see any choke spots.
Oh my god. At least he's eating.
Huh.
That's good.
But at least he can't see. Because he can't.
He's not gonna hurt us unless we hurt him. That's what's gonna happen. He's not gonna hurt us.
If we hurt him, he'll hurt us.
If we bug him, he'll hurt us.
Yeah.
He'll beak us to death. Well, not to death, but he'll beak us.
That will hurt.
Yeah.
I fed chickens one time.
What?
I fed chickens.
You did?
Yeah.
Well, chickens should be nicer than birds.
Birds are actually really nice creatures.
Chickens are not very nice at all.
No.
But I'm afraid of what this bird has.
Should we call the animal place? Like animal
That's the
rescue
number
place?
I'm looking up.
We're calling the animal place?
Maybe we'll be on TV because of saving him. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
No.
He's really huge on the camera.
I see his her
Because I zoomed in.
I see her eye.
I'm gonna name this dude.
I'm gonna name his dude too.
No, I'm not naming. I haven't picked out a name for him yet.
We're not naming him. He's not our pet.
I know, but I like naming stuff.
Well, then you guys are going to be extra sad if he doesn't live.
Still.
He might be on the porch.
He's on the porch.
No.
Well, when you guys see if Daddy's done on the phone with his mommy, if he is, ask him to come here.
Go see if Daddy's done with talking to his mom.
Okay.
Poor little bird. I feel so bad for him right now. God.
I don't even know what kind of bird he is.
We know he's not a robin.
No.
Because robins have long beaks to peck on wood.
It's not the color or the shape of a robin at all.
Is it coming?
No, he said, and then he said.
Point this at the bird,
he'll
okay?
be out
Okay,
in
just
a
make sure
second.
that you can see the bird.
Let him get dressed.
Emily, that's my spot.
Well, I want to see.
Emily, hold on. I got an idea. No, Grace.
I need to see.
Calm down. You are going to freak him out and make him fly off, and then we'll never be able